energy demand is growing on the back of efforts to achieve carbon neutrality and progress in digitalization. Nuclear power has expectations for balancing economic development and environmental preservation. Hitachi will work through our nuclear business to achieve safety and the 3 E's globally. We continue to help increase customer value with our deep commitment to businesses, from planning, engineering, and manufacturing of core components to fuel supply and maintenance. Revitalization of Fukushima. In cooperation with customers and partners, we are contributing to the decommissioning of Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power station through the handling of treated water and investigations for removing fuel debris. Together with local businesses and the community, we are working to revitalize local economies. Development of next-generation innovative reactors. Hitachi is engaged in the development of next-generation innovative reactors that pursue both safety and economic efficiency. Building on the international standard ABWR, we are advancing the practical application of the highly innovative ABWR, a large-scale innovative reactor incorporating new safety mechanisms. In Canada, we are advancing the construction of the BWRX-300, an SMR project positioned as the first in the G7 with GE Vernova Hitachi Nuclear Energy. For more than half a century, we have been engaged in research and development in fusion. Through our manufacturing expertise, we have contributed to technological innovation toward real-world deployment. The supply chain. We are cooperating with government and industry to sustainably develop the nuclear energy business. In addition to creating business for domestic suppliers and passing technology on to the next generation, we are also working with GE Vernova Hitachi Nuclear Energy to contribute to the global supply chain and human resource development. Advanced maintenance and digital transformations. Together with group IT companies in the US and related divisions, we are working to develop solutions to support advanced plant construction and maintenance. We will improve plant operational efficiency by combining knowledge of nuclear engineering and DX. Fuel cycle. We supply fuel through Global Nuclear Fuel. In order to realize a fuel cycle, we are cooperating in the development of transport and storage dual-purpose casks for spent fuel and the completion of a reprocessing plant. For the future, we are also developing fast reactor fuel cycle technology that will enable effective use of resources and reduction of radiotoxicity from radioactive waste. Hitachi will continue to provide highly reliable solutions globally, making full use of the latest digital technologies and manufacturing expertise, and contribute to the realization of a better life and society.